Central Market. Come and have a look at it tomorrow in the morning. Guess it's open or closed. Central Market is shut. The underpass is now a cool little setup. The old days, they had these little cafe kiosks everywhere. Now they've kind of moved into a McDonald's and Burger King's. Shame. I can smell the beautiful bay pastry. I'm just going to see the great old biggest European market. You got Stockman and the old Metropole Hotel there. 1897 that was. Yeah. And these underpasses were always thriving with lots of little boutique style stores. They were selling babushka arts. Now they've only got graffiti. A great example of the American model. And every one of those stores are empty now. And that's where these folks, in the old times, that was yes. So these little underpasses were always thriving with little cafes, little pastry. Oh, there's still a pastry shop here. That's a good. It's promising, yeah. Lottery places still exist, and and then you would lead on to the central station, then to the bus station. None of these buildings exist. Look at this, it's like cardboard boxes being erected around. There's a train station that went all the way up to Lithuania and then towards Kaliningrad, and it linked up with all the different places. And then you've got the little Zeppelin hangars, that Zeppelin hangars from World War I, which then got dismantled and converted into a marketplace. Today's Europe's largest market. Yeah, folks. What a jolly good thing. Now you got this Narvesan, the little kiosks. The Stalin's cake structure there. Those were the only things that exist before. And these mighty, strong Stalinist buildings, unlike these Stockman type, flimsy Finnish department store. There you go. This is the real, it's a mighty little, Europe's largest market, folks. Let's go and explore it. Yes, let's go and explore the real food. I don't know if it's real food any longer. It's because the generations have left. It's no longer real food, it's all plastic stuff. There you go, pastries. Oh, lovely. Look at this. building the new train station. It's 9 o'clock. The old market. Look at this bin. The old bin still there. Long way away. It's still been upgraded. Look at this. Still a large market here. Replacing with the supermarkets. Going to see the cake structure now. Cake structure, how do I get there?